Visserplein. Vergeet niet uit te checken, ook met je betaalpas. Please remember to check out, also with your bank card.
And everybody move from the doors.
The smiles and warm. Yes, please.
Okay, man.
You might be able to get to the other end. If we had a, I don't want to make us too early. If we had 11:30 at the, we'd be heading out about now to get round to the venue.
Can everybody move to the front, please? Don't stay here in the middle. The front is empty. There's still sit places in the front of the
That's
tram.
24 hours. I'll talk to
Yes,
them about
yes.
Sick of it.
No, I can hear. Yes, so if we're up and about, we can use
Jump on before half past
before,
10.
yeah, before.
Like 10:15.
Yes.
Utilising the same ticket to get
Yes,
out there.
yes.
Then we can just do
We can do it here.
it's 1 hour, so 24.
Waterloopplein.
9:50.
Joods cultureel kwartier. Overstappen op metro 51, 53 en 54.
No, there's a driver in the front there. That's what I said, we couldn't talk to him because he was in a cab, so I didn't realise they had service things on.
Alright. Come inside, please. Move to the front. Don't stay here.